In this video, you will learn what is Google Metasearch. We see these hotel elements in Surat in India, and we see the all options. The one with green is the official website, and we can see here it has a 30 euros price in comparison with 29 for Goya Bibo. So our suggestion is to have the same price or lower, because here it's the commission is not that high. So what can be done, the guest comes here to Google, puts the hotel name after searching on Booking, on Expedia, all the channels, and clicks on this hotel elements official website, and all the rooms that the hotel has, description, cancellation policies, more pictures and children policies, all the settings. Here's been personalized with the logo and the colors of the hotels. So now the guest will book a room. Here it's also an extra airport drop. Goes to summary. Don't need this service at the moment. So here it's a test. Just booker, email address, and now if you have any company details or special requests, you can write here. So book now. So the guest is booking like on a normal channel via this booking engine. You can book another room, gets an email confirmation, and here as a hotel you will be able to go to reservations, channels, Google Metasearch, and you'll be able to see the test booking that has been done, and also the notes that have been left. You will get full access to this platform that will allow you to have the calendar and change the number of rooms as easy as this. Change also the price. Guest confirmation, the name of the guest, the booking number, the check-in, check-out, price, and all the cancellation policies. Also, the guest can cancel. Here is the personalized text that has been inserted by the hotel, and that's the address and the phone number. So that's how it looks like. I hope you enjoyed, and looking forward to help you with direct bookings, online bookings.